Yeah, welcome everyone to our page. Today we have a Pythagoras theorem to solve, or a question on Pythagoras theorem. It says, find sin theta and tan theta in the triangle below if cos theta is equal to 3 over 5. So we are given cos theta. Alright, so solution. Now, given that cos theta is equal to 3 over 5, we know that cos theta, let's employ a very simple there's a very simple secret to solving Pythagoras theorem. Okay, it says SOHCAHTOA. This is sine is opposite of our hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent of our hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite of our adjacent. That is the meaning of SOHCAHTOA. So if we employ this to this, then for cos theta to be 3 over 5, it means that 3 is 3. That's adjacent is the 3. And then h is 5. That's hypotenuse. Now what all this means is opposite hypotenuse, and then opposite adjacent. Now, where are the opposite, the adjacent and hypotenuse? This is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Hypotenuse. And we're given to be 5. Okay? This is the adjacent of the triangle, and we're giving that one to be 3. So, opposite is what we need to find to be able to find the sine and the tangent. You can see that it's only the two of them that contain O. Okay, so, but we know that, alright, for this right angle triangle, let's find O. This is a right angle triangle. So, we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. This is where we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. So, using the Pythagoras theorem, which says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the adjacent and the opposite, meaning that h square is equal to O square plus A square. This is the law of the Pythagoras theorem, how you stated. Okay, so in this case, we are looking for O. So if I'm looking for O, it means we need to bring h square to the right side, and then we'll bring A to the right side. So we'll leave O to be in the same position, which is the right. So that means that O square will be equal to h square. A square is crossing to the left, so it's going to be minus A square. So we now substitute. A is 3 and h is 5. So this is equal to 5 squared minus A square, which is 3. So A square is 3 squared. Alright? What is 5 squared? 5 times 5, and that's 25. So this is 25 minus 3 squared is 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. So, and this is 16, right? So O squared is equal to 16. All right, how do you find O? O is simply to take the square root of both sides. So taking the square root of both sides, O will be equal to square root of 16, and that is equal to 4. All right, so the opposite is equal to 4. Now we'll establish this one to be 4. Now, if O is equal to 4, it means that sin theta, which is this, therefore sin theta from our SOHCAHTOA is opposite of our hypotenuse. And that is equal to 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Okay? And what? Tan theta. That's the next one we have to find. Tan theta is equal to what? From our SOHCAHTOA is opposite of our adjacent. And that is equal to what? 4 over 3. 4 over 3, right? Okay? So, that's the answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us. We look forward to see you in our next class.